To start with, we have a storage space in the dashboard. We need to unlock both the sides and give some pressure to open the knobs. Now we have a special vent over here, and it is having a press fitted two knobs side by side. Now please don't forget to get known about the airflow direction, and here we have our air filter. You can use compressed air to clean this filter. Please don't worry about it. It is a very effective method, and which will definitely increase the airflow of a air conditioner system, as well as give you a cleaner air without any pollutants. So make sure you are cleaning it with the both sides and just checking out the each and every gap available. As you can see, there is a too much dirt available here, as if I haven't cleaned this for 7 months. Mr. Khalatkar uncle is helping me out with cleaning this air filter, and I am really thankful for such a good kind of help. And now it is time to keep it back. So the same procedure repeated. You just need to take care of the airflow system. Just press fit the top cap and just reinstall your storage space once again. And it is really easy because you just need to press hard to get it back to its position. Please take care of your belongings stored in this. Thanks for watching. This is Suzuki signing off from Smart Drive.